Hi, good afternoon. My good name is Toka Owami from Dimapur, Nagaland. I welcome all of you to this wonderful life transforming institution. I should say this is one of the very best institution across India I've come so far. So I warmly invite all of you to please come and be a part of this life transforming institution. If you are looking for improvement in many areas of your life, I think this is the right place. You can come and enjoy and improve yourself in so many ways. So please come and be a part of this wonderful academy. The academy is Osacr IELTS PTE Spoken English Institution. You are welcome. Thank you.